Here is the final sig fig rule, and this is probably the trickiest one. What about zeros that are on the end? Are they significant? And the answer is it depends on the purpose for that zero. So if it's only holding place value, it is not significant. So I've got, in this number, the only significant digit is a 1. The other 3 zeros are just holding place value. Over here in the milliliters, I've got 2 sig figs. I like to underline my sig figs. And you say, well, what are those zeros doing right there? Those are placeholders. Okay? And then this decimal down here, the only sig figs are the 5 and the 5. Those little zeros after that decimal are placeholders. If I were to write this number in scientific notation, I would get this. And remember, in scientific notation, the sig figs must match. So what is this right here? All those place holding zeros that are not significant, they just pile up in the exponent. So scientific notation is a great way to show sig figs. Now let me show you zeros on the end that are significant if they are showing precision. So here I've got a decimal with a 0. Now is that necessary for the sake of that number? No, that's not a place holding 0. That's showing precision. So that number is significant, the 0 after the decimal. So all of these are significant. That says we measured that at with a very accurate balance. The number beside, why would you put those 2 zeros right there? They are showing precision. This number right here, these are placeholders. And then the 0 on the end there shows precision. So this has 3 sig figs. So in scientific notation, it's going to look like this. And remember, those 3 sig figs are going to show up in the coefficient of that number.